Introducing the newest from Pure Technologies, PüreCouture, a sanitizing closet that uses the power of UVC and gentle steam to refresh everything from elegant to everyday clothing. Sanitize wool, silk, or even accessories such as hats and belts. Simply hang clothes in the PüreCouture or place items on the removable rack below. With water in the tank and your choice of fragrance in the door, you can choose your desired setting, such as quick sanitize to clean garments in just 2 minutes, or run a full cycle with steaming and sanitizing all in one. The PüreCouture's elegant design fits beautifully into retail shops looking to keep customers safe by refreshing clothing between fittings. The built-in full-length mirror is perfect for a full-body view of your freshly cleaned garments. Whether you're looking for an alternative to dry cleaning or a system that gives your customers the confidence of a sanitized fitting, the PüreCouture will always provide a clean experience. Sleek, subtle, smart. PüreCouture.